Alrighty, we're gonna actually review what happened today. Pretty disappointed. Good results overall, but disappointed in my trading because I did not follow my rules. I did not follow my edge. I did not, push myself to the limit today. Therefore, it was, to me, a wasted day. However, it still was a profitable day. It was not a unprofitable day. But again, it was a very, very rule breaking day, and I'm very disappointed in that fact. So, just gonna upload what happened today first, as far as the trades are concerned, and then we're gonna go over the exact things that occurred during the trading day that did not, I just happened to not follow my own rules. Alright, that should do it. That should be everything. Yes, I know you see a $38 positive, and technically speaking, sure, yeah, it is kind of a positive. I get it. However, it's not truly a positive. Let's actually make sure, shall we? Generate. Did not attach to any accounts today, or what? Oh, so it doesn't do that. Oh, good to know. I didn't know that. So I didn't realize that if I do a trade in my laptop, it does not translate over into my desktop. So therefore now I need to make sure that I put in the fee schedule or the fee Excel sheet into Trading NinjaTrader so that we get more accurate results. So I think the easier way of doing this might actually be to load up Rhythmic Trader and see how that looks. That way I can add in the proper fees. Just loading it up in a different window, unfortunately. So therefore, that isn't going to work, is it? 6 seconds remaining according to the loading screen. Anyways, the reason it was a bad trade is because I'm gonna performance. You know what, let me not even mess with this. Let's just talk this out so I can get this off my chest, and we can keep going from there. Okay, so first let's start off with the pictures. The pictures will show 1,000 words, and it will show exactly what happened. So let me just load up all the pictures. That way we're looking at all the right time frames. Okay, so let's see here. It's the QQQ picture. It's the ES. It's the NQ. And that too is the QQQ. Alright. So here is exactly what happened, right? I saw ES, which would be this one here. Okay. So what happened is this. Here you see a ES pattern that I really do enjoy trading. When we come up to either a support or resistance level, in this case it was the intraday resistance level. And how can I tell it was the intraday resistance level? Because we're going to go on to the ES chart and double check what I am stating, right? Otherwise, it's really no point in making these videos. Oh, too tight. Maybe too zoomed in, eh? Okay, so let's look back at this picture here. This is right around 10:05 a.m., right? So 10:05, where are we here? 10, there it is, 10:05. Okay, so here is basically how this pattern tends to play out. One, you get to a support or resistance level. You try to see if it's going to break it, and if it can't, and you see an inside candle that has the exact same height, this is the key, the exact same height as the previous candle with a lower volume and the opposite color, then the next candle must have higher volume, the same color as the previous candle, and close lower or higher, depending on the direction you're going, than the previous candle. I must enter the trade there. So for example, I must enter the trade here on the close. All right, on this close I need to set my stop loss here. Okay, just above that, of course. I mean, like 1 point, nothing too major. All right, ES tends to move nice and slow, therefore there's nothing to be shaken out about. Just take the trade. All right, so if is there a profit target type of thing on this? If not, let's just go over to trading view, right? Nice and easy. I like them. ES minis, right? Where's the little profit calculator thing? Long position. This will be a short position. And it would be at 10:05. So right here, right? Okay. So I'm supposed to get in right here at that part right there that you see. Okay. I'm supposed to set the stop loss a little bit above that right there. Okay, 1 point above this high. That's close enough to the 1 point. It's okay. It's not exact science. It's okay. Then I need to target the first target would be the closest part of this range, which would be here at this little doji candle. All right, and then the second contract would always be the next closest point. All right, so that would be here, right here. And therefore, I'm just going to go ahead and move this down. So I'm actually going to end up doing 2 because that will be the easiest way to do this. Right about there, we see some support and resistance. All right. All right, close enough. So I'm just going to move this down a little bit and then bring it break even. Oh, the even side. All right. Therefore, one contract, since I'm usually going to be taking 2 contracts, right? One contract would be a 2.83 risk to reward, and one contract would have been 1.55. So if we look at the average on that, right, 1.55 plus, what is it? 2.83 equals, divide that by 2 contracts. My risk to reward is roughly 2.19 on this trade. Now the question really becomes, why was I being dumb and not following through on my golden reversal trade or my nice pattern trade back? Right? Simple. I just didn't have the patience And I was honestly scared. What was I scared of? I'm just scared of it going against me and me losing. What is this? The amount? Stop. So I would have lost $750 on one trade, right? But if you truly look at it, I was looking to make $1,386. That's freaking amazing. I really need to somehow get this profit and loss tool into NinjaTrader. I think that will actually help me stick around on this trade, right? I think that will truly do the trick. So I'm going to start looking into that. I'm going to start looking into that tomorrow, and hopefully I can find something rather quickly, because that would just be phenomenal. But if you look at it, it was perfect timing because got in right there. I know hindsight's 2020, right? It is what it is. It could have not worked out, but so far I haven't seen this pattern truly not work out in my favor whenever I take it properly. When I do not take it properly, it does not work out. I was also extra afraid because I'm also trading counter trend. Counter trend is especially scary on a large green day. Those are my excuses. But even if you look at this is the chart of the QQQ puts, right? Same thing. You got those two nice inverted hammers that just couldn't break it up, right? You got those, couldn't happen. Come back up to it a third time, didn't happen. Came back up to it a fourth time, basically, couldn't happen. What did I do? I got out at break even. That is ridiculous. I should know better. But anyways, overall, profit-wise, cool. I made some money. Great. I can walk away knowing that I made some money. But I am extremely disappointed at the fact that I did not follow my trade plan. This could have been a banger day. Amazing call. But couldn't stick with it. So, therefore, it is now a disappointing day. Right? Lost $1.32. What? I got out right at break even. Ridiculous. Well, that's enough venting for me. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. I'm gonna come back tomorrow stronger than ever. Just gonna put in here disappointing day. Day watch video. See link below. So I'll be linking this video to this journal. That's it. That's all it's about. Alright. Hopefully tomorrow is a better day. Tomorrow is going to be more amazing. Hopefully. No, not hopefully. I will follow my trade plans tomorrow. Whether I trade or I don't trade, it doesn't matter as long as I follow the plan. Alright.